Are all financially free people believers of law of attraction? Is it really necessary? If law of attraction was such an important aspect, why is it that there are no exceptions? And obviously there are always exceptions to some rules, right? To every rule, for that matter of fact. What is it that am I missing here? I'm so confused about this. If you want to know the answer to this, I'll save you time. Within 40 seconds, I'll tell you no. Law of attraction is not mandatory to be financially free. But continue watching this video so that you get to know why law of attraction makes it so much easier to be financially free, and what are some of the patterns that every financially free person and somebody who believes in law of attraction have in common. Hello and namaste, I'm Manish Ahuja and this is Paycheck to Profit, India's first YouTube channel, online community, coaching system which helps you strengthen your money mindset, get rid of your money blocks, learn about investing, learn about law of attraction, and eventually get financially free. Law of attraction is a very simple concept. I have been making videos about this entire month. I'm going to make some more. I'm going to get more personal about it in the next video. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel, hit the bell icon so that you get to know everything that I know about law of attraction and how I can help you understand why law of attraction is absolutely essential in my coaching system to get financially free, to strengthen your money mindset, and how does it entirely work. But let's talk about the fact that why do I feel it's so important, and if I know it's not absolutely necessary and essential, why do I still talk so much about it? I'll tell you what. Law of attraction is not compulsory to be financially free, but when I actually try to understand the patterns of financially free people and what law of attraction says, I see so many similarities that I feel law of attraction is a cheat code to get the principles or to get the discipline that financially free people have. Let's talk about it. See, having the faith and belief is extremely important, and I have seen that people who are financially free, those financially free millionaires and billionaires of the world, they have some faith and belief system with regards to either being religious or having faith in the business that they are in, the industry that they are in, the kind of work that they are doing, the faith in the future of the industry. There has to be some driving force which is much bigger than yours. You have to realize that humility is absolutely important, and you have to understand how insignificant you are in the entire big picture. And every successful financially free person worth their salt will have this quality. Second thing that they will always have is they'll know what is their ultimate goal, what is it that they're working towards. Look at example of Jeff Bezos. Everybody feels he's so successful with Amazon, but you look at him and he'll clearly tell you that his ultimate goal is for humans to start intergalactic colonies for humans, where he just watch some of his interviews and you'll realize his ultimate goal is so unbelievable in today's terms. He says that there are going to be factories in the space where all the goods that you consume are going to be produced in factories which are in the outer space, and goods are going to be brought back to this planet because this planet is a beautiful planet and it's worth living. It's not worth manufacturing or producing. That's like the ultimate goal of the man, and it's so much bigger than his vision is so big and so humongous that it is his driving force. And law of attraction also helps you create your own driving force by looking at your vision, looking at your mission, and how do you actually keep those milestones that you have to achieve one step at a time. The next thing which automatically goes, which is like the smaller version of your vision, is your mission. Having absolute clarity about your mission, what your life looks like 3 years from now, 5 years from now. So is the case with financially free people. They know exactly what their mission is. What is the next expansion plan that they are working on? How do they plan to, continue making their wealth, grow their company, or grow the revenues of the sources of revenue wherever they're coming from for them. So knowing the mission, what are they working towards right now, and having absolute focus is extremely important for, and it's absolutely common in people who are law of attraction believers and people who are financially free or have tons of money. Are you just seeing the similarities and how things are going so significantly parallel to each other and it's so beautifully synced together? The next thing is the right mindset and the attitude. I can't think of a single financially free person that I know who does not have the right mindset or attitude with regards to money. You ask them, is it difficult to make money? They'll say, no, it's not difficult to make money. It's difficult to reach a stage where making money becomes easier because it takes its own journey of hard work, of understanding the patterns of success, of understanding what works for you, of understanding what makes you happy. But the attitude is absolutely sorted once they've reached there. And so is the mindset. Having an absolute robust system that works for you to expand your wealth on regular basis is also yet another common thing that you'll find in people who are law of attraction believers and people who are financially free, in millionaires and billionaires all across the world. How else can you manage so much wealth if you don't have a system to do so? So is law of attraction compulsory to be financially free? As I say again, no, it's not a compulsion. But then look at lives of any millionaire and billionaire, financially free person, somebody who has more money than they can count, more money than they'll ever need in their life, and tell me if they don't have this in their life. Bill Gates has an absolute system of how his wealth grows through Microsoft and then reaches his bank account, and then he uses it all across the world through his foundation. And so is the case with Warren Buffett, so is the case with Mukesh Ambani. Anybody who you look up to financially has a system, has a vision, has a mission, is absolutely full of faith and belief in whatever works for them. It's a no-brainer. All what I am saying as a financial freedom coach, as a money mindset coach, is my system gives a very good amount of importance to law of attraction because I look at it as the easiest way to get into a discipline of respecting money so that it respects you back. If that resonates with you, if you just liked what you just heard, do not forget to hit the like button, share this video on social media so that more people can get to know about the parallels between law of attraction and financial freedom. And I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Ka-ching.